Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to log into your phone system and block a particular number from calling you. Go ahead and open up Google Chrome. In the address bar, type in voip.infiniwis.com. Log in with your credentials. And then navigate to Answering Rules. And click on Allow and Block button. Over here, under Block Numbers, go ahead and enter the phone number that you would like to stop receiving calls from. Click on a plus. Make sure the number is added below, and click Done. You're all set. Thank you for watching.